Want to improve your English in just 15 days? You've just made the best decision for your language journey.
Cherish English.
Welcome to Cherish English, the place where you will boost your grammar, sharpen your speaking skills, and feel confident using real English every day. This is day 1 of your 15-day challenge to upgrade your English skills. Each day will focus on one important area like speaking, vocabulary, grammar, writing, listening. You'll get short, focused lessons each day, plus a challenge to help you practice. Don't worry if you're busy. All you need is just 10 minutes a day. And if you follow through, you'll feel more confident, fluent, and clear when you speak English. Here's a sneak peek of what's coming. Day 2. Sound confident, smart vocabulary, grammar fixes, and so on all the way to day 15, where you will test your progress. Ready to start? Hit subscribe button so you don't miss a day. This is Cherish English. See you tomorrow for day 2. Speak with confidence.